get your soul. Just tell them that the break is over. Need a couple number ones. Need a pack on every song. Need me like one with Nicky now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see ya, I'm a pop nigga like Bieber, I don't fuck bitches, I'm queer, but these nigga bitches like me dear, yeah. Ayy, oh, let do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up, then everybody tryna sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the end, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. All run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy, y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. All run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over.
Medals round my neck because I won. Now my mama set cause I won. Out here making bands, do what I want. Get with the phone, I get what I want. Skip the hidden nails up the 101. She just wanna chill on some one-on-one. I just hit the gas, bitch, I'm gone. I might do the dash on them just because. Medals round my neck because I won.
And I'm not gonna stop winning, and I'm not gonna stop spinning. Lifestyle, I'm locked in it. 10 weeks I've been top 10ing. She need me like oxygen. Felt the same till I got finished. Big ring with them rocks in it. When I pop one, I'm like Popeye when he got spinach. I'm clean cut with a pop image, but it's demons that I'm locked in with. Take a flight and switch content. It's my old whip and have an ox in it. New whip, I just hit a button and suddenly there's no top in it. But I still get plenty in it. Then I give it that Jimi Hendrix. Lusted over by plenty women. Say I look just like Diggy Simmons. Fresh Prince, I get jiggy with it. Lot of hits, there's never any misses. Dizzy Wiz, I'm in the city with it. On top, any minute.
Medals round my neck because I won. Now my mama set cause I won. Out here making bands, do what I want. Get with the phone, I get what I want. Skip the hidden nails up the 101. She just wanna chill on some one-on-one. I just hit the gas, bitch, I'm gone. I might do the dash on them just because. Medals round my neck because I
pulled up in that bull truck, made it drop down like her skirt. Lanes talking that bullshit, with that bullshit ain't gon' work. New crib, got a good view, bring the hood through what I could do. Little baby, she know that I'm worth it. Can't tell me that I don't deserve, ayy. $1 billion if you want this deluxe. Baby, I feel expensive, okay. Yeah, I came from the cut, and I ran this shit up. Just to spend it and sponge with the gang. Watch me not give a fuck, cause it's up in the stuff. Baby, I'm never going away. Feel like AI when I hit the stage. Never practice, but I came to play.
Medals round my neck because I won. Now my mama set cause I won. Out here making bands, do what I want. Medals round my neck because I
get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at Onyx, find a rider. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text kick game wireless, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took Molly. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off Duini. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucepan in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place you cannot stay. Or you can't go, or I don't know. Or back the fuck up off me. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that ride, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my. Mama dear, spare your feelings. I'm reliving moments, feeling more residual. I can buy the building, burn the building, take your bitch, rebuild the building just to fuck some more. I can justify my love for you and touch the sky, forgot to stop the bidding war.
Put the pussy on the pedestal, put the pussy on the high horse. That pussy to die for, that pussy to die for.
Peter Piper, pick the peppers. I can pick your brain and put your heart together. We depart the shady parts and party hard. The diamond shows the cool forever. My best shot just might shoot forever like.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
Whoop it, jump outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Talking about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just got all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm out. I'm back on my boat, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with you, then she give it. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get. I got all this water on me like Fiji. I'm posted up with in the. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Whooped it, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Talking about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just got all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm out. I'm back on my boat, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof Chris. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm back out.
Panda. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting no licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their helmets. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit. Hogan killers understand it. I got broads in Atlanta, twisted to lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacy, family, wait and see, family. Package full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man out the macho like Randy, the chopper go out for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit. Hope you killers understand me. Hey! Panda, 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 panda. I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up lean and shit, sippin' fountain. Credit cards and the scammers, wake up beside shit, like designer, whole bunch of ladder shit. They be acting rats, I know we clapping shit. I be pulling us up in the finest shit. I got plenty of stuff with Bugatti, but look how I try this shit. Black is 6, fountain, why is he killing no comma? Pop a perk, I got stunning gorilla, they come and kill you with bananas. For feelings, I feel it, pull up in the fountain. No niggas, they come and kill you on the comment. But Broly is dancing bigger than the pound, they go out to the Grammy, but bully your pound, full up, I'ma flip it. I got bitches.